If you made it back to the channel, my name is Susu. I recently shared a video about the itel power tank 500 watts, and some of you have been asking me questions, especially the recommended solar panel to use for it. So today I'm going to answer all those questions and show you everything you need to know about using the itel power tank 500 watts with the right solar panel setup. So there is no time, let's get to work. Okay, for the sake of people seeing this video for the first time, we want to do a quick unboxing video, and I'll be showing you some of the accessories that comes with the power tank. And again, this is itel power tank 500 watts. So inside the box, we have the AC power supply cable. Then we have DC power supply cable. It has been attached to the extension wire, and it has been attached to the power tank already. And we have the manual, then we have warranty card. Yeah, so this is the manual. Yeah, right here. We have, what else? Yeah, this is the warranty card. In case you have issue with it, you can take it to Cow Care. They will attend to you. Make sure you don't lose this card. Then inside, this is very small, very tiny. Let me show you guys. So see, this is R&B, and this is the fuse. We have mounting brackets, you can see. If you want to hang it on the wall, you can actually use this. And this is sunk screw, very tiny. You can see, very, very tiny. Then we have expansion screw. We have two. See, yeah. So basically, those are the things we have inside the box. And finally, the power tank itself. You can see we are currently using the panel to charge it, and now we have 99% at the moment. Yeah. So basically, that's everything. If you are seeing this video for the first time, yeah, this is all you got inside the box. Now, let me answer some of the questions from my last video. The first question is, what is the recommended solar panel watts to use for the itel power tank 500 watts? If you want the itel power tank to last long, you can use solar panel from 100 to 400 watts. But this particular panel you are seeing is 410 watts. Solar panel below 500 watts is your best choice. But itel recommends 410 to 590 watts panel, as long as the configuration keeps the voltage within the safe operating range. To the second question, I would like to ask if it is permissible to charge the device with a 200 watt solar panel. Yes, like I said before, you are allowed to use 200 watts above solar panel with the itel power tank 500 watts. The third question would be answered at the end of this video. Make sure you stay till the end. Okay, let me quickly show you some of the things you need to get to install your solar panel. So you need this cable. This is PV cable, so that you can use to extend from the panel to where the solar is. You need this plier in case you might need this too. This is cable pipe clip. You will need it. This is tape rule. You need this too. So you need this cable as well, and you need a ladder. This is one of the accessories you need to get. This is elevator bolts. You will need it so that you will use it to hold the panel on the roof. And again, we need this too. This is aluminum T-slot. So this is what you use to hold the panel on the roof. I'll be showing you how to use it as well. So make sure you're taking note of the accessories you need to get. Yeah, so you need some screws too. Let me just show you. You might not need, yeah, I just showed them. But we are not going to be using everything here. But you need to get some. See. And most importantly, if it is something you cannot fix by yourself, please, it is recommended that you get an electrician. So basically, those are the things that you need. Make sure you get everything. Don't leave one behind, or else you're gonna go back and buy it. We are going to start working now. Reason why we are going through all this is because this is a new building and there was no provision for solar or generator setup. So we have to make provision for that right now. And that's what we're doing. Now to the last question. Are you planning to do another video where you will talk about the price and where it can be found? There are so many options in which you can get the device. You can get this device from approved sub-dealers, buy on itel Energy website or Instagram page. For people that would love to get it from physical store, you can as well get it at Computer Village, but make sure you are buying from authorized sellers. I bought the power tank for 315,000 naira and the solar panel for 115,000 naira. But price can change depending on where you are buying from. If you find this video helpful, smash the like button, subscribe and turn on notifications for more videos, and I will see you in the next one.